Chickens don't have balls. Fish do not have fingers. And there are no dogs in hot dogs. I hope. So some people out there have a problem with the Brits having chicken balls on their Chinese restaurant menus. Well, I love them and they're about to be put on the channel. So strap on a pair. This is going to get tasty. Now let's get into the recipe. Let's start by taking our chicken breasts and cutting them into 1-inch cubes. Now I'm going to velvet or tenderize them using half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 1 teaspoon of cornflour cornstarch. Next, I'm making a marinade by adding 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir, cover and set aside in the fridge for around half an hour to an hour. Now it's time to prep the sweet and sour sauce. Roughly dice half a bell pepper and half an onion. Also slice up a small piece of fresh ginger. Gently fry these ingredients to release the aromatics and then add 200 milliliters of plain water, 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, that amazing Chinese ingredient, 5 tablespoons of malt vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Heat up until it starts to boil and let it blip away for 5 minutes to allow all the flavours to mingle. Now set aside until our balls are done. And now for our mythical chicken balls. Place 100 grams of plain flour into a large bowl and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Mix or shake through thoroughly so it's all evenly spread out. Pop your cubes of chicken into the flour and coat thoroughly. Now put 200 grams of self-raising flour into another large bowl and add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Start adding lukewarm water and stir until the batter mixture becomes like a thick pancake batter. Use a whisk to get out any lumps. It should be this consistency. Pop your chicken cubes into the batter and heat up enough oil for deep frying to 180 degrees centigrade or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add your chicken cubes one by one into the hot oil and fry until golden. Ensure that you turn them over every minute or so to make sure that they cook evenly all over. It's very important that you don't get tan lines on your balls. After 5 to 6 minutes, they should be cooked perfectly. Remove your balls and carefully drain them on some kitchen roll whilst you heat up your sweet and sour sauce again. When it starts to blip away, add some cornflour slurry, about 2 tablespoons of cornflour cornstarch, mixed in a little cold water to thicken your sauce. Give it a good stir. Check out these bad boys. Serve with steamed rice, fried rice or chips. Or fries to our American friends. All right, everybody, it's tasting time and my chief taster, Master Kobe Lau, is here again. This is your favourite, isn't it? Yippee. Sweet and sour chicken balls. Right, am I going to go first or are you going to go first? You? No, me. You? Okay, right, shall we dip it in the sauce?
Yes, sure.
Yes, dip it in the sauce. No. Oh, it's hot, careful, it's hot. Let's try that.
Nice.
Okay, right, careful because it might still be really hot. What's it like? Ooh, is that crunchy? Don't try to eat it all at once. You can use your hands if you like. What's that like? Is it good? Well, somebody is speechless. Maybe I should try a bit. Okay, right. Let me have a go. Let me have a go. You keep eating there. Right. Moment of truth, as they say.
Good.
How many thumbs up?
I'll probably say probably too much to count.
Really? That is really good, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying, buddy.
The batter is lovely and crunchy. And the chicken is tender, juicy. And it's got the flavour from the marinade. I can still taste the sesame. It's very subtle, but that's how it's supposed to be because we don't want to override the whole thing. The sweet and sour sauce just cuts through the batter and complements everything. Right. It's all subtle. don't want too strong a flavour coming from the actual ball itself. It's just absolutely amazeballs. So guys, I would recommend these to anybody. Okay, whether you want your food to be authentic or not, these are just amazing. They're just so nice when they're freshly cooked and you know all the ingredients that go into it. The batter is crisp, the chicken is tasty and juicy and tender. Everything that you would expect and want from food like this. Okay, whether or not it's totally Chinese or authentic or whatever it is, who cares? As long as it's tasty, right, Cobes? Yep. Right, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. This one really is good. It's simple, tasty, and everybody loves chicken balls, apart from people on TikTok. Apparently.
And America.
Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your bit, Cobes.
Oh yeah, make sure you smash the like button and obliterate the subscribe button and comment anything you want about this video, and we'll see you next time.
Take care, guys.
Don't forget to do notifications.
All right, take care, guys. Bye.